Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the production process of TPU paint protection films, especially 6 common coating methods. TPU PPF is typically a multi-layer structure, functional coating, TPU base film, and pressure-sensitive adhesive layer. The coating process usually involves 2 main stages. Step 1. Apply pressure-sensitive adhesive to one side of the base film, then dry and rewind. Step 2. Apply the functional coating on the other side, then cure in a controlled environment so the adhesive and substrate fully bond. The final stability and performance of the film come from this complete process. Gravure coating. Uniform coating. Good for thin layers. Viscosity. 121,000 CPS. Widely used in protective films, window films, functional tapes. Slot die. Coating. High precision. Uniform surface, eco-friendly, works for 720 micrometers thickness, viscosity 1020 to 50,000 CPS, common in window films, OCA, and tapes. Coating, suitable for high viscosity adhesives and thick coatings, produces flat surfaces, used in protective and functional films. Hybrid, slot de-thine, combines both methods, allowing flexibility depending on viscosity, covers 25D 450 micrometers range, 1,020 50,000 CPS. Gravure, printing, coating. Accurate metering, fast speed, ideal for thin coatings, viscosity 10-22,000 CPS. Reverse roll coating. Simple, fast, good surface quality, suitable for thin layers, viscosity 10-22,000 CPS. In conclude, different coating methods match different material properties and thickness requirements. In the paint protection film industry, choosing the right process often determines product reliability and competitiveness. Follow us for more insights into global branding and B2B communication. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others who might find it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides, tips, and insights into the world of paint protection films and window tinting.